to find a product to sell. I get asked all the time. Pretty much using the same ideas that Neil shows you. So looking for trends, Google Trends, all the things, looking at bestseller lists on Amazon. Amazon's actually really good now for finding products and then checking them out on eBay. It's actually heaps easier. So once you've found some products using all Neil's methods, you can just come in. So say we were looking for dog lead. You can come into eBay, type that in and have a look and see. And then sort of same things apply. 10,000 is way too many. So it's too competitive. So we might want to look for large dog. So exactly the same. All of Neil's stuff is, it just works the same. So here we go. So dog lead for large dog, we've only got 206 results, which is a lot better. However, we can look down this and see this particular one here is 59.51, and we've got here 90 sold. The next one's only got 12 sold. So this kind of tells me that dog lead for large dog is really not going to be a huge seller on eBay. So if I just go back to dog lead and we'll have a look at another one. Now you may notice here, I've got these search results have been modified by eBay popularity sort. Now, eBay popularity sort is a Chrome plugin. So you do need Chrome and it sits up here. Chrome, where is it? Where is it? eBay popularity. And so it's just a Chrome plugin. And instead of sorting by best match or price or whatever, it's sorting by what sells the most. So if I go back just to plain dog lead, I can see that this dog lead here has sold over 7,000. Not particularly well priced. So next one. Now in any, I won't say in all, but in most eBay listings, when you click through into the listing, these red numbers then become live. So you can click through to that. And then this is where eBay is totally transparent in comparison to Amazon. We can see exactly what sold, when sold, and how much for. So we can see this particular dog lead sold 4 today, a few the day before, and you just keep going down and down. Now, I like to see just solid sales. It doesn't necessarily need to be 10 a day or 5 a day, but I just want to see regular sales. So this is the type of sales volume that I'm looking for, 3 or 4 a day, but just really constant. But obviously this is just way too cheap. That's just nuts. So same as with Neil's Amazon, stick to around that $20 to $25 minimum, and you'll kind of make money. The other way I like to do it is just what I call an A search. So just type an A, and again, exactly the same as Amazon, you'll get these, these search results come in. So the algorithm is very, very similar. So what's popping up here is what people are searching for. But if I search for just A and then hit search, you'll always get this error message, this one, because there's too many. So what we do then is just go into a category that you might be interested in. So we might go pet supplies and search again. So now we're looking for things. So what we're doing now is all eBay is doing is showing you every listing that has the letter A in it. And that's why I like using A's, E's, O's, because everything's got that in the title. So you start getting some really interesting products. Once I'm in here, so once I'm in an A into a category, I like to just look through the main category, main first page, and see if I can see the same product 3 or 4 times on page 1. So if I just drop down, so I'm just looking for a similar product. So we've seen these chicken things twice. Dog muzzles. This isn't great because I'm not seeing too much at all. Got a few dog leads there. Yeah, dog leads. Who would have thought you need a pet bird harness? The things you find when you're doing product searches. Bizarre. Pet safety vehicles, safety seat belts. So I've seen these safety seat belts a few times now. Too cheap though. The other thing we can do is let's go back up to the top here and let's put in our price. So let's have a look let's start for $25 up to $90. Let's filter that down a bit. And we're getting, so we can see here, we've got 25 to 90. Again, we've got chicken feeders, we've got dog's food, still got dog safety. It looks like dog safety is looking good. That's dog clippers, got more chook feeders, more chook feeders. So that's what I would be looking for. I'm just looking for a couple of the same product idea so that you can see, you know, that product is on page 1. Didn't really find anything on there, sorry. So using the same methods that Neil teaches for Amazon and just validating that it is selling on eBay, because as we saw from SimilarWeb, when there's that many more people on eBay, if something's going to sell on Amazon, you know it's going to be selling on eBay. If it's not selling on eBay, it might just struggle on Amazon. Does that kind of make sense? Yeah. And then just look for price differences. You know, I mean, you can look in just about any forum around and ask if people, you know, what do people think of Amazon? And you'll quite often see that it's too expensive. And that's just because a lot of people haven't validated their pricing. You know, gladly, AOE people generally don't do that, which is really good. So pricing is another big thing. Remember that eBay is predominantly FBA. There are places that will house for you, and Richard Aston from what's it called? FBA Prep Australia. He will third-party logistics for you. And there's a number of third-party logistics places around. But remember that postage is postage, and Amazon get ridiculously cheap rates. So you're never going to get as cheap a shipping as you will with Amazon. And I had a couple of people ask me that in the questions. Christian asked me, can you get eBay stock stored and fulfilled as cheaply as with FBA for Amazon? And the answer is no, you can't. Generally, if you have a look at your FBA calculator and add about between $5 and $7, you'll come out with pretty much the shipping price for eBay.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There are over 2,500 members right here in Australia. We've also got members from other countries as well, but we're mostly in Australia. We've got sales of over $50 million on Amazon here in Australia, and indeed right around the world. And if you'd like to find out more about joining us and getting all the benefits of being a member of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link is in the description, and I will see you on the inside.